Last class we have seen about the topic by diversity of living organisms. Okay, what is the level of organization and basic structure of virus and what are the type of virus. Okay, today class we are going to discuss about the remaining part of the lesson. The first one, classification of virus, and another one, characteristic feature of virus. First we see the characteristic feature of virus. First we see the characteristic features of virus. What is virus? Virus are infective agents. Virus is our biological puzzle. Okay, already you know virus is very smaller than bacteria. Okay, virus are genome, DNA or RNA, but never both. Okay, today class, what are the see about the topic characteristic feature of virus. Virus have living character and non-living character. Okay, first we see the living character. First one, the presence of nucleic acid and protein. First one, the presence of nucleic acid and protein. Okay, so second one, capable of mutation. Capable of mutation. What is the meaning of mutation? Mutation means sudden changes in the chromosome, that is called mutation. Okay, what is mutation? Sudden changes in the chromosome, it is called mutation. So next one, third one, ability to multiply inside the living organism. Ability to multiply within living organisms. Okay, within living organism. So next one, fourth one, able to infect plants and animals. Okay, able to infect other organisms. Able to infect other organism, plant or virus. Okay, these are the living character of virus. Next we see the non-living characters. First one, non-living characters. What are the non-living characters? Okay, virus does not grow in outside of the cell. Okay, does not. It is inactive outside of the cell. Outside of the cell. Next one, enzyme producing. Next one important point, energy producing enzyme system is absent. Energy producing enzyme system is absent. Okay, these are the non-living characters. So another one, absence of metabolism. Okay, now the next one, absence of metabolism. What is the meaning of metabolism? Last class I told what is metabolism. Metabolism means it is a living process. All the chemical reaction taking place inside the living organism, that is called metabolism. Okay, what is metabolism? All the living chemical reaction are taking place inside the living organism, that is called metabolism. So in virus, absence of metabolism nadakadu. Okay, so what is living character and non-living character? Living character means the presence of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA present and protein. Capable of mutation. What is mutation? Sudden changes in the chromosome, that is called mutation. Next, ability to multiple living organism, ability to multiply within the living organisms. Okay, so it is called intracellular parasite. So next one, able to infect the plant or virus. Virus cause disease. Okay, so next one, plant disease and animal disease. What are the non-living character? First one, inactive outside the cell. Okay, does not grow outside the cell. So next one, energy producing enzyme system is absent. Next one, absence of metabolism. So next, classification of virus. Virus are classified. David Baltimore classified the virus based on the mechanism of RNA production. David Baltimore in 1751 David Baltimore classified the virus based on the mechanism of RNA, mechanism of RNA. Next one, mechanism of RNA. Next one, the nucleic acid. Based on the nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. Okay, based on the nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. So next one, they are single stranded or nucleic acid single stranded or double stranded. Okay, nucleic acid single strand or double stranded. Okay, students. So David Baltimore, the scientist name. Okay, David Baltimore proposed the classification of virus based on the three. What is all the three? First one, mechanism of RNA, nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. Next is the nucleic acid single stranded or double stranded DNA. Viruses are classified into 7 classes. It is very, very important, students. Note it. Viruses are classified into 7 classes. Virus classified 7 classes. The first one, viruses with dsRNA, dsDNA. So second one, viruses with dsRNA. So next one, viruses with dsRNA plus RNA. Next one, viruses with dsDNA plus RNA and ds minus RNA. So next antisense. So next one, fifth one, viruses with dsRNA but with replicate its DNA in intermediate life cycle. Okay, this replicate DNA in intermediate life cycle, Okay, so next 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth one, virus with the ssRNA, virus with ssRNA replicate with DNA, replicate with RNA, intermediate life cycle. Okay, intermediate life cycle. Okay, first one, virus with DNA. Next one, virus with dsRNA. Next one, virus with dsRNA. Next one, virus with DNA with ssRNA. Next one, virus with dsRNA replicate the DNA and intermediate life cycle. So as best example, retrovirus means HIV virus, human immunovirus, HIV untagudiyadu. First one RNA, but RNA replicate DNA intermediate life cycle. Okay, so next one, viruses with SS or DNA replicate the RNA, it is intermediate life cycle. Example, Habdoma virus. Okay, so next we see the viral genome. What is viral genome? Each virus possesses only one type of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. Okay. Next one, viral genome. Each virus possesses only one type of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. Okay, the first one, but never both. Okay, the nucleic acid are single, linear or circular form. Okay, the nucleic acid is not DNA or RNA. The nucleic acid are linear or circular form. Okay. So next one, the virus possessing DNA are called deoxyviruses. The virus possesses nucleic acid DNA are called deoxyviruses. Okay, what is the meaning of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid, that is called DNA. Okay, so the virus possessing DNA are called deoxyviruses. Next one, those possessing RNA are called those possessing RNA are called riboviruses. Okay, the virus possessing DNA are called deoxyviruses, those possessing RNA are called riboviruses. So what is the meaning of RNA? RNA means ribonucleic acid. Okay, so next one, the majority of animals and animal viruses having DNA. Okay, the majority of animal and bacterial viruses are DNA viruses. Majority of animal viruses having DNA. Okay, but if only one exceptional case, the HIV virus nucleic acid RNA. Okay, the only exception is the HIV virus nucleic acid RNA. Okay, so majority of animal virus or nucleic acid DNA, but only one exceptional cases, the HIV, human immunovirus, AIDS coronavirus, okay, acute immunodeficiency syndrome, the HIV virus while possessing RNA. Okay, next point, most of the plant virus or DNA. Most of the plant virus generally contain DNA. Most plant virus contain DNA, but only one exceptional case, tobacco cauliflower mosaic virus contain RNA. Okay, so only one change, students. Plant virus generally contain RNAs or not DNA. Okay. Most plant virus contain RNA, but only one exceptional case, cauliflower mosaic virus. Cauliflower mosaic virus contain nucleic acid DNA. It is only one exceptional case. Okay, don't forget, it is very important one word, note it. Okay, so next one point, the nucleic acid may be single stranded or double stranded nucleic acid. The nucleic acid may be single strand or double strand. In human, double strand. Okay, some plants only single stranded nucleic acid. Okay, the nucleic acid single stranded or double stranded. What is the meaning of double stranded? This is class double stranded. Okay, double stranded DNA radical. So next one, based on the nucleic acid, the virus are divided into the 4 categories. First one, virus with SS RNA, virus with SS RNA, dsDNA, SS RNA. Okay, first one dsDNA, second one SS RNA. So next one ds RNA, the fourth one SS DNA. Okay, these are the four type of virus. Okay, first we see the tobacco mosaic virus. First we see the tobacco mosaic virus. It is a helical shaped virus, tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus was discovered by Ivanovsky. Tobacco mosaic virus. The shape of the virus tobacco mosaic virus. The short format TMV. Okay. This is a tobacco. Tobacco means புகையிலை செடின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That is called tobacco. The virus name mosaic. Okay. This is a nucleic acid, RNA. So next one, this is capsid. Okay. The tobacco mosaic virus was discovered by Ivanovsky from the tobacco plant. The plant name tobacco plant. Discovered by Ivanovsky. Ivanovsky, who is Ivanovsky? Already I told Ivanovsky discovered the virus. Okay. So next one, the virus infect the healthy plant. Okay, virus infect the healthy plant through vectors. What is the meaning? Vectors or carrier. Okay, virus infect healthy plant. Virus infect the healthy plant. Okay, so what are the visible symptoms? First one, the visible symptom of tobacco mosaic virus is discoloration. First one, the visible symptoms. The first one, discoloration. Discoloration of leaf along with vein. Okay, discoloration of leaf and along with vein. Another one, the leaf is downward. பார்க்க எப்படி இருக்கும்னா அந்த டவுன்வர்ட் கர்லிங் அப்படின்னா அந்த இலை சுருண்ட மாதிரி அப்படி ஒன்னோட ஒன்று அப்படி அடியில் சுருண்ட மாதிரி இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் டவுன்வர்ட் லீஃப் டவுன்வர்ட் கர்லிங். Okay. So next one, leaf downward curling. So next one, major symptoms. The plant growth and yield is affected. Plant growth and yield is affected. Okay, these are the main symptoms of tobacco mosaic virus plant. So next one, what are the tobacco mosaic virus? The plant is a rod shaped helical virus. This virus is a rod shaped helical virus. The size of the virus 300 into 20 nanometer. Okay, the weight 39 into 10 power 6 Daltons. The molecular weight, note it, the molecular weight 39 into 10 power 6 Daltons. Okay, the virion is made up of many protein that is called capsid. Okay, virion is made up of two components. First one protein, another one capsid. First one protein, another one capsid. Protein, another one capsid. Okay, next one, the protein coat is made up of 230 nucleotide. Okay, the protein is made up of 230 nucleotide is present. Next one, bacteriophage. Bacteriophage. What is bacteriophage? Example, T4 bacteriophage. Virus infect the bacteria is called bacteriophage. Okay, bacteriophage. Okay, phage. Okay, what is bacteriophage? Virus infecting bacteria are called bacteriophage. Okay, virus infecting bacteria are called bacteriophage. Okay, so commonly it is literally means eaters of bacteria. இது என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா eaters of bacteria. eaters of bacteria. The page is commonly found in soil, okay, drainage and water and fruits, okay. These are the main symptoms, sorry, main salient features. So next one, bacteria page, the structure of bacteria page. The T4 bacteria is tadpole shaped. This is a structure of bacteria page. This is a basal plate. It is a helical, hexagonal in shape. This is head. This is collar. Okay, this is a genetic material, RNA. Sorry, oh yes, RNA. Next one, this is basal plate. And this is tail fiber. Okay, these are the important points. The head is a hexagonal which consists of 2000 nucleotides. It is hexagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is called hexa, means hexagonal. Hexa means 6. So it is a hexagonal in shape. Okay. So next one important point, there is a basal plate contains there is a basal plate is contained, tail fiber is present. Okay, the basal plate is attached to the tail fiber. Okay, this is a bacteria page, T4 bacteria page virus. Next one, it is a genome type virus, genome type ASDNA type. Okay, so next one, virion. What is the meaning of virion? Virion. Virion means it is an intact infect virus particle. What is virion? Virion means it is an intact infect virus particle. Okay, virion means intact infect virus particles means virion. Next one, viriod. What is a viriod? Means it is a circular molecules of SS RNA is present. It is a circular molecules of viriod. Viriod means it is a circular SS RNA is present that infect the potato plant. Okay, potato curling disease. So next one, the page is the multiplication cycle of page. The next one, the multiplication cycle of page. Okay, what is bacteria page? Bacteria page means virus infect the bacteria are called bacteria page. Next one, the pages multiply through the two different type of life cycle. Okay, the pages, the bacteria page, that is called page. Okay, the page is multiply through two different type of life cycle. The first one lytic cycle, second one lysogenic cycle. The first one lytic cycle, second one lysogenic cycle. Okay, the first one lytic cycle. What is lytic cycle? Lytic cycle means the first, it is a lytic cycle means the disintegration of the host bacteria cell to progeny virions are released. Okay, the first lytic cycle disintegrate in the host bacterial cell. What is the meaning of disintegration? That bacterial cell. Okay, and progeny virion are released. What is intact infect particles? That is called virion. Okay, this is a bacteria page. Okay, this is a bacterial cell. This is page. This is bacterial cell. Okay, first the four process. The first one adsorption, penetration, synthesis, assembly and maturation. Okay, first one adsorption. What is adsorption? The adsorption, the first one, see the page tail contact with the contact with the bacterial. Okay, in the first one, the bacteria page tail contact between the two. That tail fiber recognize the receptor site. The first one enter then this tail fiber recognize the receptor site of the bacterial cell surface. Okay, the first one, this is called adsorption. Okay, so next one penetration அப்படியே உள்ள வர்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். That is called penetrate அப்படினா உள்ள ஏறுறது. What is meaning of penetration? The process involving of mechanical and enzymatic digestion of cell. என்ன ஆகும்? Process digestion நடக்குது. That is called விட்டு விட்டு போற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Mechanical and enzymatic digestion of the cell of the course, that is called penetration. Okay, the injection of DNA particles, injection of DNA, sorry. The injection of DNA particles alone in the bacterial cell, that is called transfection. The DNA அப்படியே உள்ள ஊடுது உள்ள, that is called penetration. So next one, third one, synthesis. What is the meaning of synthesis? Involves the degradation of bacterial chromosome. இது எல்லாமே degrade ஆகி host DNA is inactivated. What is the meaning of host DNA? This is a page, this is the host DNA and page oda DNA is activated this stage. This is called synthesis. Okay, next assembly and mutation. What is assembly? DNA of the base, the process of assembling the page particles, that is called maturation. Okay, so next என்ன ஆகுது? இந்த பிட்டு பிட்டா இருந்த ஹோஸ்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து அசெம்பிள் ஆகுது. assembling the page particles known as maturation. Last one, releasing. mature ஆன next stage என்ன ஆகும்? release ஆகும். So releasing means the page particles accumulated in the coastal and release. Okay, do you understand the Lytic cycle? What is Lytic cycle means? Disintegrate the coast bacterial cell, okay, and progeny virions are released. Disintegrate the, what is the meaning of coast cell? The coast cell எல்லாமே அழிஞ்சு virions are a new page release ஆகிறது தான், that is called Lytic cycle. The first stage adsorption, second penetration, synthesis, assembling and release. Assembling and maturation and release. First one, what is adsorption? The tail fiber recognize the receptor people. Okay, the page tail contact between the bacterial cell. Next one, injection of the DNA particle along the bacterial cell. Next one, synthesis method. So involve the degradation of the bacterial chromosome. Next one, assembling and maturation. What is the meaning of assembling and maturation? Means the DNA of the page, the process of assembling the pages particles known as maturation. Next one, releasing method. So next one, lysogenic cycle. What is the meaning of lysogenic cycle? This method, first one, the page inject the linear DNA. Okay, the first one, the page this is the linear DNA, inject the linear DNA into the host cell. This is a bacterial chromosome, this is a host cell. Okay, so next one, circular page DNA. This is a circular page DNA. It becomes circular, integrate to the bacterial chromosome. It's converted to the bacterial chromosome. This is a page. The page is inoculated into the viral bacterial cell. So third one, the integrated page is called prophage. This stage is called prophage. Integrated page DNA. Integrated page DNA is known as prophage. Next one, reproducing bacterial cell. What is the meaning of reproducing bacterial cells? The page DNA get integrated the host DNA and get multiplied along with the nucleic acid of the two course ரெண்டா divide ஆகும். Okay, reproducing bacterial cell. This is a lysogenic cycle. What is a lysogenic naale production? So another one produces a reproducing bacterial cell. The bacterial cell reproduce, it's a two cell forming. Okay, this is a lysogenic cycle. Okay, what is lysogenic cycle? The page DNA get integrated and the host DNA get multiply. This is multiplication. Okay, along with the nucleic acid with the host, that is called lysogenic cycle. Next one, classification. Okay, what is classification? Classification means classification is a process by which the things are grouped in convenient category based on the visible character. That is called classification. The father of classification is father of classification Carolus Linnaeus. Okay, father of classification Carolus Linnaeus. It is a scientist name Carolus Linnaeus. First release நிறைய classification சொன்னாங்க. The first one, 2 kingdom classification, 3 kingdom classification, 4 kingdom classification and 5 kingdom classification. Okay, first we see the one by one. The first one, 2 kingdom classification was proposed by Carl Linnaeus in 1735. Okay, what is the 2 kingdom classification? Include the plantae and animalia. Plants, animals மட்டும் தான் இருந்துச்சு. So next one, 3 kingdom classification proposed the Ernst Haeckel. Okay, the scientist name Ernst Haeckel Prostida, Plantae and Animalia. It is included the Prostida. So next one, four kingdom classification introduced by Koblenz. Okay, in the year in 1956, the Monera, Prostida, Plantae and Animalia are added. Okay, that is the Monera is added. Next one, five kingdom classification is a very important classification. It is proposed by August Whittaker in year 1969. Okay, what is a five kingdom classification? Include the Monera, Prostida, fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Fungi are included in this phylum. Okay, next one we see that comparison of five kingdom. Five kingdom na Monera, Prostida, fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Okay, first one, what are the cell type of Monera? Monera means prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic. Pro means first, karyo means nucleus. Okay, prokaryotic cells level of organization mostly unicellular, rarely multicellular. What is unicellular? Unicellular means made up of only one cell. That is called unicellular. Next, rarely multicellular. What is the meaning of multicellular? Multicellular means it is made up of more than one cell. That is called multicellular. Next, cell wall is present. It is made up of peptidoglycan and mucopeptide. Okay, so next one, nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition, autotrophic or photona light. Phototraffic, autotrophic means cell traffic. So next one is prepared from own. Next one, chemotrophic, heterotrophic. It depends on another one. Example, parasitic and saprophytic. Parasitic means it depends on another one. Saprophytic, it depends on the dead material. That is called saprophytic. Okay, next one, motility. What is the meaning of motility? Means moving. It moves from one place to another place. That is called motility. The motil or non-motil. Move agala or move agamal irukala. So next one, organisms name, Archaeobacteria, Eubacteria, Ganombacteria. Okay. Next one, kingdom, Prostida. The second one, Prostida. Prostida, it is a started from eukaryotic. Next one, eukaryotic. Level of organization, it is unicellular, made up of only single cell. Cell wall present in some plants. Okay. The made up of cellulose, some plant absent. Next, nutrition, autotrophic, photosynthetic and autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, autotrophic means prepare their own food. Okay, heterotrophic means depend on another one, that is called heterotrophic. Okay, motility, motil or non-motil, maybe motil or non-motil. Organisms name, dinoflagellate and amoeba, plasmodium. These are the Prostida groups. Next one, fungi. It is a very important fungi. It is a eukaryotic. It is multicellular and unicellular. Some fungi unicellular. So next one, the present is made up of chitin or cellulose. Okay. Next one, the mode of nutrition type, heterotrophic or parasitic or heterotrophic. What is heterotrophic? Depend on another one. Parasite na that is called parasite. Absorb the material from dead material. That is called saprophytic. Next one, more non-motil. Next example, yeast, mushrooms. Next Plantae. So all plants are eukaryotic. Okay. So it is a tissue level. It is not a cellular level. It is a tissue and organ levels. It is a it is made up of cellulose. Okay. Don't forget. So all plant is made up of cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay. So next one, it is autotrophic. Autotrophic means self-traffic. It is like a green plants prepare their own food. That is called autotrophic. Example, the process name, photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to produce food. Okay. So next one, motility. So mostly plants does not move from one place to another place. So it is called mostly non-motil. Okay. Next one, organisms, algae, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Nacre seed plant and without nacre seed plant. Okay. So next one, Animalia. What is Animalia? Animalia means animals. Okay. So what is a cell type? Eukaryotic. What is eukaryotic? Eu means two, karyo means nucleus of eukaryotic cell is more than one cell. That is called eukaryotic cells. Next, level of organization. Level of organization, tissue level organization and organ level organization. Mostly organ level organization. Organ systems are present. Next one, cell wall absent. Plant cell is animal cell cell wall is absent. Plasma membrane only is present. So next one, nutrition or holotrophic and holozoic nutrition சொல்லுவாங்க animals. Next one, motility. Animals move from one place to another place. So it is called mostly motile type of plant, motile type of animals. Next, organism, sponges, invertebrate and vertebrate. What is the meaning of sponges na? sponge, இந்த கடல் sponge சொல்லுவோம்ல, that is called sponges. Small holes is present in sponges. Next one, invertebrate means without backbone, that is called invertebrate, and vertebrate means with backbone is called vertebrate animals. Okay, so what is the merits and demerits of the five kingdom? What is the merits one? It is based on the mode of nutrition, separation from fungi from plant. Okay, that is the best. So another one, demerits, it is not included the virus. இதல virus பத்தியே நம்ம சொல்லிருக்க மாட்டோம். Okay, this is the demerits of five kingdom. Okay, it is not mentioned the virus. Okay, these are the main important points of the comparison of five kingdom. The five kingdom proposed by Argus Whittaker in 1969. Okay, okay students, what to learn today? Today first we see the classification of virus, what are the type of virus, what are the shape of virus. So next one, multiplication cycle of phage. Next, system of classification. Next one, comparison of five kingdom animals. Five kingdom animals. What is the five kingdom? Monera, Prostida, fungi, plantae and animalia. Okay students, today homework, explain the five kingdom of classification. Thank you.